Lake Garda.
On the way to Verona. Train is pretty full. Like first time I'm seeing that people are standing in the compartment and see you. Hello guys. So today आज हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं लेक गार्दा का पीजेंदो स्टेशन का नाम है. व्यू कुछ ऐसा है और वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द फेरी घाट. Nano is enjoying. Rishi, you are enjoying?
Yeah.
Downhill road. We are taking the shortcut towards the ferry, and soon we'll catch the ferry to reach Lake Garda. Too many people are there today on the road. Crowded one. Let's see how we enjoy. So as we go on, we are in a bit rush as we have our ferry at 11:20. We have 10 minutes in hand and we are expecting a lot of queue because we have seen a lot of crowd in the train. It's a nice city. The train stop is on the top of the hill and then we are gradually coming down to reach the lake. So see you in the ferry. Bye.
So guys, this is the ticket counter and we have to stand in the queue to buy the ticket and then we will on board. So as you see, we started onboarding. So they just checked our temperature and allowed us inside the cabin. So enjoy the trip.
Hey guys, we are on the rooftop of the ferry. It's a two-tier ferry and the view is something like that from the top. So here you can see the hills and there you see soon it will start and this is the view. So see you. Let me show you. Yeah, when the boat starts, we'll come down. So I'll show you how it looks like. There it is a lift and also a stair. It's a two-tier boat. It's your wish whether you can sit in the open or inside the boat. Hey guys, believe me, this is a lake and not an ocean. Just because of the impact of the ferry and its very high horsepower motor, these waves are created. This is a very
It's a very big lake. We
Very
can't
big lake.
cover it.
one of the biggest
One day it is not possible.
one of the biggest lake on Sweetwater Lake, inbound to the island. So on the coast of the island, you see small town here, and the cabin looks something like this. Something like this. So we are sitting here and here और लाइक ऑल द टाइम ऋषि फिर से परेशान है, उसको फिर से कुछ नहीं मिला जो चाहता है। अब किस बात के लिए परेशान हो बेटा? सो ऋषि ऊपर जाना चाहता है। ऑलवेज ऋषि का फोकस रहता है जो नहीं मिला लाइफ में उसके ऊपर, जो मिल रहा है प्रेजेंट के ऊपर फोकस नहीं रहता है।
मुझे प्रेजेंट बहुत अच्छा लगता है। प्रेजेंट इन द सेंस गिफ्ट, नॉट जस्ट
You can see how the impact and the wave that is being created because of the boat. Let me try to go in front of the boat and see the impact.